Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G, and I'll show you how to turn off auto updates apps on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store app, and here on the right upper corner tap to this icon. Also you can have here the burger menu, and you can just have it here on the left side of your screen. Now just go to the settings, and here you can see the general section. And right now just go to the auto update apps section and switch it to the done auto update apps and tap to done. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.